BGU8000. Bissell Commercial's lightweight upright. Weighs only 9 pounds. Large carry handle to move from room to room with ease. Fingertip controlled on-off switch. Virtually indestructible fan with lifetime warranty. 40-foot detachable cord for easy replacement. Quick release storage hook makes removing the 40-foot power cord quick and simple. Rubber blade helps clean small particles off bare floors without hoses, attachments, or adjustments. Bristle brush edge cleaning with high-velocity suction channels for baseboard and stair cleaning. Large rear wheels to transport from room to room. Top-fill disposable snap-on, snap-off bag is one of the biggest disposable bags in the industry. Non-marring bumper and outer cloth bag protects furniture and baseboards. Self-adjusting brush roller makes going from carpet to bare floors an ease with no manual adjustment.